Right, guys, I'm curious of game called Fishing Simulator. So I'll play it, and I will find the flesh that is so disgusting and weird. Alright, guys, let's find it. And look, it's the flesh. And let me. How can I enter it? Dude. And this is the eye that it's so scary. So let's find out what is going on. Let's go fishing. And I'll when I grab this, the no, the mouth is not open. Let's find the other flesh. It's quite scary, but I'm brave, and so many fish here that it looks like a ghost. So I'll find the other flesh. Nah. So what? And let me open. Can I open this? Hello? Can I? Dude, this is disgusting. I can't. Dude, it's disgusting. No secrets. Okay, let me unfreeze it. And let's go to the hill and let me search for some clues. Nope, there's no flesh. Okay, guys, bye.